values. Okay, integer is nothing but without any decimal point. Okay, that is the integer value. When we use the integer function, you can see decimal point is there. Decimal point prefix with whatever value is there, we can display that value only. Here decimal point is there, decimal point prefix with the 14. Here also prefix with the 14 only. Whatever value is there, decimal point with that value we can display it. Okay, by using integer function. We can remove the decimal point, and after decimal point, whatever value is there, we can remove entire value by using integer function. So what is our variable? My variable is a commission. My variable is a commission here. Now I am printing this one. Product print data is equal, my data set name is a AC, run it. If I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. Totally 2 columns we can display it. One is a commission, other one is a A. Okay, so here I am submitting. You can see commission, next one is a A. A value is a 14. We have printed. So this is an integer value here. Integer is this one. We can remove the decimal point. After decimal point, whatever value is there, that value. So next one is what is our next function? Next function is called floor. Floor is one more function. So what is the purpose of this floor function? For example, here 14.50. This is my value. I need floor value. Floor value means check decimal point only. So before decimal point, whatever value is there, that is a 4 value. Now floor is a 14. So next function is called seal. Seal function. So one is a floor, other one is a seal. Floor is nothing but a base value. Base value is nothing but before decimal point, whatever value is there, that is a base value. Seal value, what is mean by seal value? Just add the +1 only. So 14.50, okay, remove this one. Which one? Decimal point, and including after decimal point whatever value is there, please remove that value and add +1 only. Plus when we add the +1, that is a 15 only. So for 14.01, here 14.01 is there. What is the floor value? What is the seal value? Floor is a 14 only, but seal is a 15. So please add the seal. When we go for seal, first remove these decimal point values and add +1 only. 14, what is our base value? 14. Just add the +1, then seal value is a 15. Now here I am using B is equal to floor of. So what is our variable? Commission. Now again C is equal to floor of. Again our variable is commission. Now if I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. A, B, C. A value is a integer. B value, A value and B value here both are same only. There is no difference here. A value and B value always same only. Integer function, floor function, both it will give the same results. When I am submitting, see this here, what is happening? So this is a not flow, this is a silly. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting, you can see A and B both are same only. A by using integer function, B by using floor function, C by using seal function. Now you can see the even 14.01, it is equal to 15 when we use the seal function. Okay, this is a integer, floor, seal. Next one is one more function is there, round. What is the purpose of round? So after decimal point, concentrate on your first 2 digits only. When your first 2 digits 50 or more than 50, then that is the next value only. Okay, we can display the next value. Next value means 14.50, it is equal to 15. 14.49. After decimal point, check first two digits only. This is the less than 50. So by default we can get the 14. Okay, 14 only, not 15. 14.99. This is above 50. Automatically we can get the 15. 14.3 we can get the 14. 14.01 we can get the 14 only. So now here banking side we are using mostly round function only. So based on that your decimal digits, first two digits 50 or more than 50, then it is equal to next value. Now when I am submitting, you can see 14.50, that is a 15, 14.49 only, but 14.99 again 15. Next 14.39, 14.01, both are 14 only. Okay, so these are the other functions here. Which one is integer, float, seal, count? Anybody, any doubt, just let me know. Clear means I will go for next one. Yes, please.
Clear, sir.
Okay, so next one is our function. Which function? I will go for next statistical functions I will go for. So first one is a n, second one is a mean, third one is a median, next one is a min, max. Okay, these are the functions are available under statistical. Even sum also comes under statistical only. This is a one more function. N, mean, median, min, max and sum. These are the which functions? Statistical functions only. Then how to use these statistical functions we can see now. Okay, so here I will go for commenting. So this is also I am giving commenting. So data, my data set name is a AP, input, ID, M, P, C, E. Totally you can see the ID is a one column. ID related 4 different subjects are there. M, P, C, E. ID is a 101, then 10, 10, 10, 10 only, 102, 20, 20, 20, 20, 103, then 30, 30, 30, 30. Okay, this is now here data AP1 set AP. Now here I will go for first one is a n. N is my function. So what is the purpose of n function? Just open one parenthesis. When we use the n function, we have to use more than one argument only. Inside the parenthesis, we have to use more than one argument. First one is a m comma, p comma, c comma, e. So what is the purpose of n? N is nothing but we can count the, this is a one row, and this is a one row, this is also one row. We can count the total number of observation count row wise. This is a one row, this is a one row, this is a one row. We can count the total count of non-missing values only. How many non-missing values are there? M comma, P comma, C comma, E. This is a non-missing, this is also non-missing, non-missing, non-missing. So then when I submitted this AP1 data set, you can see A values are 4, 4, 4 only. I am submitting this one. When I submitted, you can see A values are 4, 4, 4 only. Because we can count we can display the number of non-missing values count here. Here there is no missing values, but here for example, one value is missing. Again, 2 values are missing. Now just submit this one. When we submitted A value, M comma, P comma, C comma, E, in my first row, E value is missing. How many non-missing values are there? Only 3. This is a 4. This is a 2. Okay, last one is a 2. When I am submitting this one, you can see here First one is a 3, second one is a 4, third one is only 2, because only 2 non-missing values, 2 missing values only. So by using n, this is important. By using n, we can display the total number of non-missing values count. That purpose will be used the n miss only. N only, not n miss. Next one is a n miss only. So what is the stands for n miss? N miss reverse order. N stands for number of non-missing values count. N miss stands for number of missing values count only. So then concentrate on B column, M comma P comma C comma A. Here E value is a missing, only one missing value, only one. Number of missing value in my first row, only one. What about second row here? Anybody? Third row and second row? How many missing values? Zero. What about third one? Two only. So we can display the 1, 0, 2. So what is the difference between n and n miss? N is nothing but number of non-missing values count. N miss nothing but number of missing values count. That purpose will be used the n and n miss only. Okay, anybody any doubt, just let me know. Next one is here we have C miss also there. What is the stands for C miss? C miss and n miss both are same only. There is no difference. But C miss it works for character, even numeric also. But n miss it works for only numeric only, not for character. Again I am saying C miss is a one more function. By using C miss inside we can use the character arguments, even numeric arguments also. C miss I am saying. But by using n miss we can use only numerical arguments only, not for character. Now if I am submitting this one B and C, sorry, so here I am C already one variable is there. So that's the reason here I am giving F only. Okay, now I am submitting this one. Again I am submitting. When I submit, look, you can see here B and F both are same only. B is nothing but n miss function. F is nothing but a C miss function. Both are we are displaying the same results only. There is no difference here. Okay, that is the n and n miss and C miss. Next, I will go for next one here. So here now next function is a, if I open, that is a n miss. Okay, next one is a C miss. These are the two. Next one is a mean here. What is the purpose of mean? Okay, a mean, anybody, any idea here? How to calculate the mean value here? Sum of observation divided by
Observations by total number of observations.
Yeah. So here I am removing missing values for better understanding. So this is also 30. Again this is a 30. Now I need m comma 101y. 101 is a ID. 101y is average marks only. 102y is average marks. 103y is average marks only. Now I have given only marks each and every individual subject wise, but I need average marks only. So how to calculate the average marks? First, please add these all values. I need sum, total summation of this value. How many? 10 plus, 10 plus, then 10 plus, 10 by total observation count only. How many observations we are doing here? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4. Total columns count or observation count is equal to 40 by 4. Then finally we can get the 10 only. Okay, this is the average here. Like 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 by 4 only. So if I am submitting this one, mean also we can get it. So that is a mean is a 20, 10 and 30 only. 10, 20, 30, that is a mean value. Mean is nothing but the average value only. Here anybody any doubt, just let me know. So next one is it. Okay, so I am changing my example. So data AP2, set AP. Now here A is equal to, here I am giving median. Okay, median. But you can see here M comma P comma C. How many arguments I used it here totally in my median?
3.
3 only. And then what is the median value? Median value is nothing but center of the value. Then what is the our median value in the above M comma P comma C? Yeah, M
20, sir.
for first record I am asking. First record by second record by. I mean, don't check the median means 1 or 2. Each and every record wise I use median now. M comma P comma C. What is the median value? Is 10. 20 comma 20 comma 20. Median value is 20. Then median value is 30. Okay. So center of the. So what about this second one here? B1. Anybody any idea? Here B also. I am using 4 arguments now, not 3. M comma P comma C comma D. Then in this scenario, what is the median value? So what are the median here? M and D. Okay, first column and last column. In the middle 2 columns are there. That is a P and a C. What is the P value in my first record? 10. Plus, what is the C value? 10 only. By 2. 20 by 2. Then finally we can get the, what is the median value here? 10 only. Okay. So here, when we use 4 columns, middle 2 columns are median value. But I want to take only one value. Then go for summation of these 2 by total observation count. 10 plus 10 by 2. Then 20 by 2. Finally, we can get the 10 only. So, in this scenario, A and B both are same only. Okay. What happened?
Sir, akkada E kadandi, sir.
Yeah.
Median.
Correct. So, now, here, when I am submitting this one, A and B both are same only. Because values are same. While practicing, you can change the values only. So, this is the median here. Any doubt, anybody, just let me know. We done N means, C means, mean, median. Now min, max, everybody aware of the min, max here. For example, here 1, here 2 is there, here 3 is there, here 4 is there. Okay, 4. Now just the functions only, then 2, then 4, then 1 only, then 6 only. Then 30, 99, 20, then 10 only. You can see these are the values only. Now here I will go for data AP3, set AP. Now here I need minimum value, min of. Min is a one function. By using min function, we can count the. What is the minimum value here? Concentrate on the data set. What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value?
1 is the minimum value.
1 minimum is a 1 only first record. What about second record wise minimum value?
1, sir.
What about third record wise minimum value?
10.
10 only. Okay. Like max value is a 4, 6, 99 only. So when I am submitting this one, what? AP3, M and P. Already M and P values are there. So I am giving A and P only. Okay. Now I am submitting this one. Because M and P actually columns, again I am using M and P only. So that's the reason I changed it. Now minimum is a 1, 10 only. Then 4, 6, 99 only. This is a minimum and a maximum. Next one is a sum. So what is the sum here? Sum option we have discussed here. M plus, P plus, C plus, A. D is equal to, I am giving sum of M comma, P comma, C comma, A. So here, one is a local statement option. Other one is a sum function. So anybody please guess it and let me know what is the t value, what is the d value. Both are same or different, first record and second record wise. 101 and 102 wise, I need t value, I need d value also. Then anyone?
Same.
Same only. Okay, now if I am submitting this one, when I am submitting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, now you can see t value, d value, both are same only, there is no difference. But some scenarios you can see here one missing value, here also one more missing value is there, here also one more missing value is there. So each and every ID has one missing value only. Now if I am submitting this one, what is the t value, what is the d value? Now also same or different?
Different.
Yeah. Same only. So this is an interview question. So what is the difference between sum option and sum function? When we use the sum option, especially sum option is nothing but we have to use expression statement only. Expression statement is nothing but plus operator. Okay, that is a m plus p plus c, like that only. So when we use the sum option, is there any argument value is missing? Now is there any argument means m is a my one first argument, p is a second argument, then c is a third argument, e is a fourth argument. If any argument value is missing, then final value also missing only. That is a sum option I am saying. Any argument value is missing, final value also we can get the missing value only. Why? Because sum option, it won't consider any missing value. It won't consider any missing value, which means is there any missing value? Then by default we can get the missing only. Is there any missing value? By default we can get the missing value only. That is a sum option. Sum option. Now here I will go for sum function only. I will go for sum function here. So then sum function is nothing but is there any value is missing? Is there any value is missing? We can get the summation value only. Final value is a summation value because sum function it consider including missing value. Sum function it consider including missing value also. So that purpose sum function is very useful for us compared to sum option. Okay, now here sum option again I am saying is there any value is missing, then final value also missing when we use the sum option. Sum function is a reverse, even missing values also there. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot, that is a dot only. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma dot, then we can get the 6 only. Now if you see this, t is a dot dot dot. Why 3 values are dot means because each and every record wise one dot value is there. That's the reason final value also we can get the dot only. Okay, final value also we can get the dot here. That purpose we use this one. So here anybody any doubt? Sum option and sum function wise clear? But still doubt?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, because this is a interview question. In my exam paper also I have given this question. What is the purpose of sum or what is the difference between sum option and sum function? So next one is so here I will come again. So data AP5 directly x is equal to zip state. This is not required actually. Zip state 27511. Okay, for example, if I am submitting this one, what is my output? Output data is equal. Then run it only. If I am submitting this one, zip state means this zip number comes under which state only. Okay, with this zip number belongs to which state? So that is a NC. NC stands for North Carolina, US state only. Okay, if anybody using 50072, let's try whether this is a India. I mean, if I am submitting series, there is no value because here this function it works for only US. Even holiday also there. Christmas only holiday function it works for US holidays only, not for Indian holidays. Like Boxing Day, I don't know when it is. I don't know Christmas when it is. I don't know Happy New Year Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day. Everything by using separate functions is there holiday. But I am not explaining those functions. Those are the not important for us, not useful also. Okay, in the don't expect any question in the interview those functions because this GIF state is only it works for US countries only, not for India related countries. So that's the reason GIF state we are not using here in our real time scenario also. This is a one more. So next one is here. What is our next function means collasis. So this is a important only. For example, here value is there. Here also value is there. 5. Here also value is there. That is 40. Now here first value is missing. Here first two values are missing. First two values are missing. Here first three values are missing. First three values are missing only. Now here data AP is set AP. Now A is equal to 0 ALESE collasis. Collasis or collasis function. What is the purpose of collasis function means? This is also one interview question here. What is the purpose of this means? Now please submit this one. When I am submitting this code, proc print data is equal to AP6 and then run it. So when I submitting this one, here inside this collasis function, I mentioned totally 4 arguments only. So by default, we can take the first argument value only. First argument value, we can assign it to A column only. So totally, I have mentioned the 4 arguments, but we can assign the only first argument values to A column. If A column, first argument value is missing, then it check the second argument. Even second argument also missing, it will check the third argument only. Then final conclusion, we can assign the first non-missing value to my A column only. So anybody guess it and let me know what is the A value for 101, 102, 102?
2, 5 and 10, sir.
2, 5 and 10, exactly 2, 5 and 10. So you can see 2, 5 and 10. So we can assign the first non-missing value. That purpose will be used the collasis function. So this is a one more interview question also. What is the purpose of collasis? By using collasis function, we can assign we can take the first non-missing values from our argument and we can assign that value to our column, new column. That's only.
Sir,
Okay.
what is the real-time usage of this particular function, sir?
Real-time usage means when we use more than 3 columns or 4 columns, when we use, is there any value is a miss? As per my requirement, I want to assign my first column value to my new column only. If my first column value is missing, then take the second column value. Even second column value is also missing, take the third column value. But if you want exact real-time scenario, real-time example, this is a classroom training, classroom example only. If you go for real-time scenario, while discussing this, even in my SQL class also, I have not explained the collasis function. Collasis I have explained. But how to use this in the real-time, I have not explained actually. Because if you go for that way, it will take 2 to 3 classes, at least 3 classes. Yeah, that's the reason. But while again I will start the SQL classes, at that time I will cover this collasis here, how to use the collasis in the real-time scenario. Simple, we can take by using some case expressions are there in SQL, case expressions. So when we use the case expressions, okay, we can use this calls this function in the real-time scenario. At that time, we have to use actually. How to use means at that time, I will let you know. Wait for some more days only. Okay. Now it is not possible. So next one is here. Some more functions are there. Mathematical functions I will go for. Before mathematical functions, I will go for one more function. AP x is equal here AB x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. This is also important only. Z is equal to mod of x comma y only. So what is the purpose of mod function? Mod is a one more function here. So what is the purpose of this? So by using mod function, we can get the remainder value here. What is mean by remainder value means? So what is the x value? X value is a 4 only. Then what is the y value? Y value is a 2 only. Okay, 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Actually, 2 2s are 4 here. Then what is the remainder value? Finally, we can get the 0.
0.
0 is my remainder value. Okay, this is a 0. We can get this value. If I am submitting this one, remainder z value is a 0. 0 only. But if anybody please let me know if I am giving 5, then what is the remainder value here? 1. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 5 4. 5 minus 4. By default we can get the 1 only. 1 like that. If I am giving 10, then what is the remainder value?
5.
5 or 0?
0.
0, not 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, perfect. But remainder value is whatever value we are getting finally, that value here. So we can get this 0. Remainder value is a 0. This is 1. Now, same thing here. How many variables are there in this data set totally? In commission, only one variable is there. Only one variable. Then data AC. Then input, not input. Set AB. Then A is equal, otherwise N is equal, otherwise row is equal. I am using underscore N underscore. Have we discussed the underscore N underscore here? Previously?
No, sir.
No. So now I will explain separate class for this underscore N underscore. In SAS we have two automatic variables are there. One is a underscore N underscore. Other one is a underscore error underscore only. So we have two automatic variables here. One is a underscore N underscore. Second one is a underscore error underscore. So I will explain separately underscore error underscore N underscore. But these are the automatic variables. Automatic variables, not this is a variable only. What is my variable? Commission. What is my automatic variable? Underscore N underscore. I want to assign the automatic variable to my new column. What is my new row? New column name? Row is equal to underscore N underscore. What is the underscore N underscore means? We can underscore N underscore is nothing but it specifies the line number. We can display the line number only. So how many lines are there? 5 lines are there. Then first line row is equal to 1 only. Second line 2, 3, then 4, then 5 only. If I am submitting this one, totally you can see the two variables only. One is a underscore, one is a commission, other one is a underscore N underscore. Underscore N underscore I am assigned to row. So we can display the commission is a one variable, row is a one more variable. Now you can see commission, row is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, in my data set, 100 rows are there, 100 commission values, 100 commission values are there. Now when we assign underscore N underscore to some other column, underscore N underscore is nothing but that is an automatic variable here. When we assign this underscore N underscore automatic variable to some other column, we can display the row numbers only. Continuously we can display the row numbers in the output window. So from 1 to 100 or 1 to 20 or 1 to 30 depends on your data. Okay, in my data set totally 1000 rows are there, then we can see the 1000 only. Okay, now
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yeah, please.
సార్ అక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ లో ఉంటుంది కదండి సార్ ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ అన్నట్టుగా.
This is a by default, right?
Yes, sir.
This is we cannot use in our data set only. Okay, I want to use this OBS in my data set. Is that possible? It is not possible. This is a by default actually. Okay, but we can use this one inside our data set only. Inside our data set, we can use row actually. Okay, so but this is a by default. Serial number is a by default in Excel sheet. OBS is a by default. Why I have created one more row? Because I want to use the row number inside my data step only. Then directly we can use the row. Otherwise, here row I have created, right? Then anybody please let me know. Totally in my data set 10 commission values, 10 values are there. So what are the odd numbers, what are the even numbers here? What 1 3 5 7 9, these are the odd numbers. 2 4 6 8 10, those are the even numbers. So now here I am creating two variables, ACO, ACN and ACO. So here I want to copy only even numbers only, ACE even numbers. I want to copy odd number. Any data sets I am creating here totally 2 data sets only. Now anybody please let me know how to do this. Odd numbers and even numbers I want to copy into separate data set only. Here whatever in my AB data set, you can see the some odd numbers are there, some even numbers are there. Now here I have created one extra column, that is a row I am creating. A row is I am creating. Now if is my statement here. If mod already just now we have discussed, by using mod function we can get the remainder value. How many arguments required here when we use the mod function? 1 or 2? Mod in the way. How many arguments I have used it inside the 2? X comma y 2 for me. Here I am using row is there. What is the row values? Anybody? What are the row values here?
1 2 same number sir, observation
1 2 3 4. I mean నేను ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చాను.
commission
10 20, ఇది 10 అనుకోండి, 15 అనుకోండి, అలా అనుకోండి. దట్ ఇస్ మై పాయింట్. సేమ్ నెంబర్స్ అనకండి దయచేసి. ఓకే, సో 1 to 10 నేను జస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ పర్పస్ ఐ యూస్ ది 1 to 10. But while practicing you can use this is 11, this is a 22, this is a 33, this is a 44, this is a 55, 66. Now you can easily, which one is a, I will go for same here, 11, then 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 78, 900. Okay, now this is my data set. We have fine. Now I am creating one column, that is a underscore n underscore. I have assigned this to my row number. If row, what is the row values? Anybody? What are the my
1 to 10
1 to 10 only.
1 to 10.
Mod of row is in my first argument only. If I am giving hard coded 2 is equal to 0. What is mean by this here? Anybody? If mod of row comma 2, what is the row value? 1 to 10.
1 to 10 sir. If
Even number
value remainder equal to 0, I mean yes,
Yeah, remainder is equal to 0, which means
Even number. That
if I am removing this one. What is our value? Commission, right? Commission. Commission comma 2 is equal to 0. What is my first commission value? What is my first commission value?
11 into
11 comma 2 is equal to 0 or not 0?
0.
0.
11 comma 2 is equal to remainder value is a 0 or not 0? That is a thing.
11 by
Not
0
0,
by 2.
22 commas 2. Remainder
0. 1.
22 comma 2. Then that is a 0, right?
0.
Yes, sir.
22 comma 2, that is a 0 or not? 0, right? Remainder value.
Yes, sir.
Yes, else output ACO. Then here, see this is already we have discussed in our previous classes, if then else statement. Proc print data is equal to ACE. Proc print data is equal to ACO. Two hot steps required. Then anybody please can let me know if I am submitting ACE data set, what are the values we can display it in my out. ACE, that is the even numbers. What are the values we can display?
22, 44, 66.
Exactly, 22, 44, 88. So you can see 24, 22, 44, 66, 88, 100 here. If I am submitting ACO, you can see the 11, 33, 55, like that only. 11, 33, 55, 77, 99 only. Because we are not getting the remainder value 0 for odd numbers. We are getting the remainder value 0 for even numbers only. So, this is also one more interview question I have given in my question paper. How to create the how to copy the odd numbers and even numbers into separate data set only. Clear or anybody any doubt here, please? Clear, sir. Okay, then I will go for next one. So some more, three more functions are pending. I will complete. Then we are all completed. Which functions? Numerical function. So next one is the data. AR input. Commission is then starts. So here 1. This is a plus 1 only. Minus 2. Plus 3. Minus 4. Plus 5. So if I am submitting this one, what are the values we can see it in my output window means? We cannot see the plus values, but we can see the minus. Negative values we can display it in my output window. So 1 plus 1 both are same, 3 plus 3 both are same. So but if you can see the minus 2 and minus 4, two values prefixed with the negative numbers. Negative values only 2, one is a minus 2 and minus 4. I want to create the absolute value only. Absolute value means remove your negative values. Please convert that negative to positive only. So that purpose we have to use our function is a ABS. ABS is a one function. By using ABS function, we can create the absolute value only. Absolute value. So here, when I am submitting this one, you can see all are we concentrate on A only. 1, 2, minus 2, you can see the 2 only. Minus 4, you can see the 4 only. Because I use the ABS function. When we use the ABS function, is there any values or prefix with the negative amount, minus values, we can remove them by using this ABS function. Okay, that purpose will be used the ABS function. Next one is a B is equal to square root of A. Any idea how to calculate the square root? Square root of A value. So what is the square root of 1? What is the square root of 2? What is the square root of 3, 4, 5?
4, 6.
I am not explaining the mathematics now. This is a square root of values.
अच्छा
So these are the
टेबल याद
mathematical
करने के लिए
functions
कहते हैं
here.
सो
But mathematical functions we are not using on clinical side, but we have separate mathematical functions are there. So that's the reason I am saying log is one function, logarithmic base 10 also one function. Okay, we have logarithmic is there, logarithmic base 10 also there. Okay, logarithmic base 100, logarithmic base 1000 also there. But those functions are not useful, we are not using also. This is a one more function, that is a logarithmic base 10 only. Okay, these are. So these three functions, ABS, square root, log, or logarithmic base 10 or logarithmic base 100 comes under mathematical functions only. Okay, so these are the numerical functions here we have done. Concentrate
use नहीं
and
करते
statistical functions, concentrate and round function, concentrate and coalescence function, concentrate and mod function, concentrate and sum function also. Interview question, what is the difference between sum option and sum function? That is the interview question. So this is our today's class here. We have done all functions are over. From tomorrow onwards, I will start the procedure. Data step is over. Tomorrow onwards, I will start. So tomorrow is a proc step here. Data step is over. We have discussed the state, local and global. We have discussed the informats and formats. We have discussed the types of input methods. We have discussed the pointers in SAS also. We have discussed the functions, character, numeric, data, all functions over. Then entire data step is over here. My question paper end to end is over. Only pending item is a proc step only. From tomorrow onwards, we'll discuss the proc step. Anybody, any doubt? Let me know. Clear means we can wind up the today's call.